Hello everyone, welcome to Data is Easy. Something has just happened. It might scare you a little bit and remind you of the movies where machines took over the world. As we know, human evolution has taken place through scientific discoveries over the history of mankind. Scientific discovery is the area completely dominated by humans due to their cognitive abilities, as it requires finding a novel idea, comprehending the current knowledge, recognizing a crucial gap, plan and execute the experiments, and interpret the results. These are the finest activities of the human brain that made him a superior being among all the species on the earth. But will the time come when machines will autonomously think, learn and perform the tasks? It looks like the supreme dominance of the humans is being challenged by artificial intelligence. Sakana AI Labs announced on August 13, 2024 about the creation of an AI scientist, an artificial intelligence system enabling large language models to perform scientific discoveries independently. The AI scientist automates the entire research lifecycle, generating novel research ideas, writing code, executing experiments, summarizing results, and presenting its findings in a full scientific research paper. Sakana claims that all can be done at the cost of approximately $15. That could be equivalent to a scientist food cost. The AI scientist is a fully automated pipeline for end-to-end research paper generation. Millions of scientific research papers are available online in free or paid repositories. If the LLMs are trained on them, it is possible to generate good scientific papers. These trained LLMs are the brains of the AI scientist. The first step to do scientific discovery is the idea generation. The AI scientist is given a template of a topic that it needs to explore. It then brainstorms the different research directions from there, evaluates their novelty, and is free to choose any novel idea. The AI scientist searches Schematic Scholar to make sure its idea is novel. The ideas which are low on novelty scores are dropped and rest are archived for future researches. The second step is experimental iteration. After finalizing the idea, the AI scientist designs the experiment as per the template and writes code if necessary. It then executes the experiments iteratively and generates data and plots to visualize the results. The last step is paper write-up. The AI scientist produces the write-up as per the given template. It also cites the relevant papers. Finally, an automated LLM reviewer is developed that evaluates generated papers and provides feedback. This continuous feedback loop allows the AI scientist to iteratively improve its discovery. Some of the examples of papers generated by the AI scientist are around diffusion modeling, transformers, and grokking. This is mind-boggling how much advancements have we made in the field of artificial intelligence, but it is still far from the perfect. It doesn't have any vision capabilities, so if there are any formatting issues with the plots and tables, it cannot fix them. The AI scientist can correctly implement its ideas, leading to misleading results. The AI scientist can make errors when writing and evaluating results, like comparing the magnitude of two numbers. And the scariest one is, just to increase its chances of success, it can even modify the basic instructions and requirements. For example, one of the experiments took so much time to complete that it was resulting in a timeout. The AI scientist, instead of enhancing the code to run faster, tried to modify its own code to extend the timeout period. Wait, what? Doesn't it scare you? It is like AI having its own clever mind. If left unchecked, AI can do anything without even asking humans. Are we inching closer to reality where AI will rule over humans? More on that in some other video. So what are the future implications of the AI scientist? First of all, like any other technology, AI scientist can be used for unethical and unsafe researches which can put humanity into danger. For example, it can do research to find or create dangerous biological viruses. Also, using AI scientists can dramatically increase the number of research papers and can put a tremendous workload on reviewers. It can cause strain on academia. The quality of such papers is also a big question. Having AI scientists as reviewers of the paper can also lower the review quality. Before we talk about what will happen to human scientists because of introduction of AI scientists, please like the video and subscribe to the channel if you like what you are watching. Alright. It might happen that AI will be driving a lot of research in the future, and the role of human scientists will certainly change but will not cease to exist. They will probably work as guides to the AI scientists, where they will define the scope of brainstorming, provide more refined templates, put checks and balances to the entire ecosystem, provide feedback to the AI, and synthesize the existing knowledge with the AI research output. The AI scientist will serve as an excellent partner for human researchers. In summary, the quality of AI scientist generated research paper is low at the moment, and whether such systems can propose genuinely novel idea is also something that time will tell. Something like transformers rather than innovating on top of existing ideas. But it's a significant step towards AI-driven scientific research. It has the potential to enable humanity to solve the challenging problems of science and technology which have not been solved so far. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.